Well, Growers Edge, I think, has made us more money by allowing me to survey the local bids that I'm in the area that I want to sell my grain. The local elevators and the ethanol plants know that this information is out there, so they've got to be competitive if they want to get the grain. You know, we've been able to maximize our return on our farm.
Good afternoon, welcome to GrainTV. My name is Cody Bills, this is Kevin McNew. Today is the 24th, that's a Tuesday, and we had a little bit of a mixed trade in the markets with wheat showing the most to the downside, down 11 cents. Corn actually showing relative strength here, up 3 1/4, and soybeans down 1 3/4 on that grain hedge trading platform. Kevin, we were talking a little bit about wheat yesterday. It shed some significant amount here. What's the reason behind that?
Yeah, Cody, you know, we talked about it yesterday that we thought that the wheat market might be in for a correction after Monday's rally, and we did get it today. A lot of that, I think, was driven by improved crop conditions in the southern plains. We got Monday's crop condition reports for Kansas, Texas, and Oklahoma. 2 of those 3 states saw very good improvements. Texas up 4% and good to excellent. Kansas was unchanged, but Oklahoma was up 4% as well. So those key hard red winter states saw improved conditions. You know, the outlook for weather is not greatly improved, but there's nothing really dire in the winter wheat growing area right now that I think is going to get this market moving higher, especially with a big crop report in a week.
Absolutely. And the other thing too, I mean, like you were saying, that weather outlook, it seems as though in the 11 to 15 day forecast there is some chances of showers, though they may be light, a little bit scattered. Looks to be dry over the next 10 days here. But when you look across the globe here, you have Ukraine and Russia both over the next week expecting to receive pretty nice showers there and rains throughout that region. So that should improve that wheat outlook on the global level. When you look at soybeans here, just keep an eye out. I know that we touched on this a little bit yesterday. We have that 20-day and the 50-day moving average. Take a look at this chart here. It's a daily soybean chart. Each one of these bars represents 1 day worth of price activity. And these lines that are going through it are simple moving averages. So we have the 100-day moving average, the 50-day moving average, and of course the 20-day moving average in there. And the ones I'm talking about are the 20 and the 50-day. They kind of run together. When you get this convergence of indicators at a certain price level, it adds a little bit of potency to that as a resistance level. We saw it yesterday during the trade when prices got up to around that level and then sold off to the middle of the range near the close. It seems as though soybeans aren't ready to really turn over and start moving lower. It seems as though today we tried to move lower, couldn't do it, kind of closed up near the highs of the day. I wouldn't be surprised if we kind of chop around this level, maybe retest this resistance. But until that resistance is broken, I don't see a whole lot of threat to the upside.
Right, Cody, we did see a little bit of basis strength in the soy plants today. We saw Iowa Falls, Cedar Rapids, Mexico, Missouri, you know, having modest 3 to 5 cent basis gains. So, you know, I think this sluggishness in the soybean market is maybe going to start to take its toll on the pipeline supplies of soybeans, and we're starting to see some modest basis improvements for beans right now.
That sounds fair enough. Guys, we sent out an email to all of our customers earlier today just reminding them, if you haven't downloaded that mobile platform yet, and of course we're getting awfully close to planting where you're out in the field away from the office, and it is very nice to be able to look at those live quotes and be able to execute hedges when the market presents these opportunities. These opportunities don't wait around for you to get back into the office late at night.
Right.
It's a nice thing. You can set alerts. You can actually have fill orders sent by email. So there's a number of tools over here that help you stay on top of the markets here, even when you're out of the office and you're in the planters. Other than that, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. If you have any questions, give us a call at 877-472-4607.